Welcome to Yes, I Can Do It. Transform your financial future. Financial independence starts here.
Hey everyone, Mustafa here. The crypto market is like a roller coaster, right? Ups, downs, and everything in between. Today we're diving into emerging cryptocurrencies, hidden gems with potential to explode by 2025. We'll discuss their current market prices and expected future prices. For example, if a coin is currently priced at $1, it might reach $10 by 2025. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and let's uncover some potential crypto gold mines together. Meet Pepe Coin, the meme coin making waves in the crypto world. Its popularity is soaring, driven by a strong community and memes. Currently, Pepe Coin trades at a fraction of a cent, specifically $0.000001. With meme-driven hype, it could see massive returns. Remember Dogecoin? Pepe Coin might be the next big thing. But be cautious. Meme coins are volatile. Treat it like a lottery ticket. By 2025, experts predict Pepe Coin could reach $0.0001. Next up is Kaspa, a cryptocurrency that's all about speed and scalability. Lightning-fast transactions and handling massive traffic are essential for mainstream blockchain adoption. Trading at around 4 cents, analysts predict Kaspa could reach 30 cents by 2025. As crypto use grows, demand for fast blockchains will rise. Kaspa's quick transaction processing could make it a major player in finance. Let's talk about another meme coin, Wojak. Like Pepe Coin, Wojak is all about community and meme-driven hype. It's trading at a fraction of a penny, but with its growing community, the potential for gains is there. Meme coins are risky but can be rewarding. Never invest more than you can afford to lose and always do your own research. Now, let's move on to Injective Protocol. This project is revolutionizing decentralized finance with a decentralized derivatives exchange. Currently priced at $7.24, analysts believe it could reach $50 or more by 2025. DeFi cuts out the middleman, empowering people. Injective Protocol could change finance forever. Render Token uses blockchain to transform 3D rendering. Current price is $1.71. Users rent out idle GPU power, making rendering faster, cheaper, and more accessible. From movies to architecture, 3D rendering is everywhere. As demand for high-quality rendering grows, so will Render Token. Predicted price in 2025 is $10. Let's talk about WorldCoin, a cryptocurrency with a bold vision to create a truly global, decentralized currency. WorldCoin is still in its early stages, but is already making waves with its unique approach. At $1.45, analysts believe it could reach $10 by 2025. Imagine a world where everyone has access to the same financial system. WorldCoin is trying to build that future with a massive impact on the world. Kaspa is so promising it deserves a second mention. With its focus on instant and scalable transactions, Kaspa is built for the future. Analysts believe it could reach 25 cents or more by 2025. The demand for fast and efficient blockchains will increase. Kaspa's technology could make it a major player in finance. Next up is Veracity, a project using blockchain technology to revolutionize esports and video entertainment. With its innovative proof-of-view protocol, Veracity is tackling ad fraud and creating new revenue streams for content creators. Veracity's focus on transparency and fairness could change the way we think about online video and advertising. Let's talk about Sui, a smart contract platform designed for scalability and speed. With its focus on DeFi and NFTs, Sui could become a major player in the blockchain space. Currently priced at 41 cents, Sui could reach $3 or more by 2025. Sui's technology is well suited for DeFi and NFTs, making it a go-to platform for developers and users. Alchemy Pay makes it easier to use cryptocurrency in the real world. Enabling seamless fiat to crypto conversions, it bridges traditional and digital finance. At 1.5 cents, it could reach 25 cents by 2025. Current price, $0.015. Predicted price in 2025, $0.25. For mainstream adoption, crypto must be easy to use. Alchemy. Poised technology could be a game changer for the industry. Let's talk about Luxo, a project bringing blockchain technology to fashion and lifestyle. Current price, $5.86. Luxo bridges physical and digital worlds, enabling new creativity and commerce. The fashion industry thrives on exclusivity and ownership. Luxo creates unique, verifiable digital assets, revolutionizing fashion. Predicted price in 2025, $40. Don't miss out on Luxo's potential growth from $5.86 to a predicted $40 by 2025. VeChain uses blockchain to transform supply chain management. It helps businesses track products from origin to consumer with transparency and security. Currently priced at 2 cents, VeChain could reach 30 cents by 2025. Supply chains are often opaque. VeChain brings transparency and accountability, impacting global trade. Let's talk about Hedera Hashgraph, known for its speed, security, and scalability. Focused on enterprise adoption, Hedera Hashgraph is poised to be a major blockchain player. Currently priced at 5 cents, it could reach $1 by 2025. Businesses seek to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Hedera Hashgraph offers a compelling solution, and its adoption by major corporations could boost its price. Radix is a smart contract platform designed for DeFi. With scalability and security, Radix aims to be a major DeFi player. Currently priced at 5 cents, it could reach 50 cents by 2025. DeFi is growing fast, and Radix's tech is built to keep up. Radix focuses on speed and efficiency for developers and users. Let's talk about Aptos, a Layer 1 blockchain focused on scalability and user experience. With its strong team and innovative tech, Aptos could become a major player in the blockchain space. Currently priced at $5.55, Aptos might reach $50 by 2025. Aptos's focus on a seamless user experience could be a game changer. Next up is Optimism, a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum focused on reducing gas fees and improving transaction speed. Optimism aims to make Ethereum more accessible and could become a major player in blockchain. Currently priced at $1.37, it could reach $10 by 2025. Solving high gas fees and slow speeds, Optimism could lead to widespread adoption. Let's talk about Arbitrum, another Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum focused on improving scalability and transaction efficiency. Arbitrum could become a major player in the blockchain space. It could reach $6 or more by 2025. Arbitrum is making Ethereum more efficient. Currently priced at 89 cents, it has the potential to hit $6 by 2025. Render's potential is so great it deserves a second mention. Leveraging decentralized GPU computing for 3D rendering, Render can disrupt a massive industry. At $1.55, Render could reach $15 by 2025. Current price, $1.55. Predicted price in 2025, $15. Demand for high-quality 3D rendering is increasing, and Render offers a compelling alternative. Next up is Flux, a project building a decentralized cloud infrastructure. Flux focuses on security, scalability, and affordability to replace traditional cloud providers. At its current price of 40 cents, Flux could reach $4 by 2025. Flux challenges the status quo, appealing to those valuing security and control over their data. Let's talk about Illuvium, an open-world RPG adventure game on the Ethereum blockchain. Combining NFT technology with immersive gameplay, Illuvium offers a unique gaming experience. The gaming industry is massive, and blockchain technology and NFTs are just beginning. Illuvium's innovative approach could make it a major player in the future of gaming. Currently priced at $42.50, Illuvium is predicted to reach $500 by 2025. So there you have it, 20 emerging cryptocurrencies with the potential to explode by 2025. From meme coins to DeFi protocols, from supply chain solutions to blockchain games, the future of crypto is full of exciting possibilities. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. The key is to do your research, understand the technology, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. For example, the current price of Bitcoin is $50,000 and it's predicted to reach $100,000 by 2025. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos about the exciting world of cryptocurrency.